Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Think you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body when the music they go.
Welcome, sir. How may I help you, sir?
Diamonds. My girlfriend says they are a girl's best friend.
This way, sir.
So it is true.
Pardon?
Indeed. Diamonds are a woman's friend.
Oui, c'est très magnifique. My friends call me she.
Engineer Chief Idris Opunshola, with pleasure. You are indeed a she to a rebelle.
Merci. Vous parlez français?
Un peu. You see, I am an international businessman with global interest and contacts. And you? Your English is clearly Ghanaian. Where did you learn the French?
The finishing school in Switzerland.
Oh.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry. You see, when a man meets a beautiful flower, he's attracted by the sweet scents and becomes completely oblivious about everything else around, even diamonds.
You may look through wannabe at my desk.
Certainly. I'm at home. Comfortable. You like big things, eh? That will look good around your neck. Oh, come on. Try that on. Try it on. It will look good around your neck. Come on. Try it on.
You speak with such authority. I like that.
I am a man who takes what he wants. Life is short, Abby. And you like the fine things of life, Abby.
I do like the good things of life, but I also like power, control, and consistency.
Beautiful. I will take 2 of that.
Everybody hustle.
He what? He bought 2 on the spot, my dear. Gave me 1 and said the other was for his girlfriend, his 3rd wife to be.
He bought you a $24,000 chain just like that?
You mean just like that? I worked hard for it, my dear.
How? Well, I dangled a bone. Plus, I had some intelligence.
She, what do you mean?
Yes. Oh, yes. I am in Ghana at present. Yes. For 1 week. The hotel is a beautiful hotel. It is called Highgate. Huh? You say? You want me to buy you jewelry? Hold on. Hold on. What is the name again? Gifterium. Okay. No shaky. You know I take care of my girls. I will buy you a big rock. Oh yes, my sweet papa. From here I go to Equatorial Guinea. 2 of my tankers are batting there. Yes. You know the life of an oil tycoon is a difficult wannabe. Don't worry. I will see you in 2 weeks. Don't worry. We'll make up for lost ground. Jiggy jiggy. Big Daddy, baby, do you want me? Okay. Oba, waiting. I am running according to schedule. You are wasting time. Why are you calling me at $5 billion? You want time today? No wahala now. I'll call you back. Let me talk to my accountant. Oba, kilo mu po mo wa. Don't worry, we'll sort out this one. Is no problem. Okay. Please come 1 minute. Oh. Do you know this place?
Yes, Gifterium. It's at Osu. Okay. I can show you the place.
Oh, good. Good. Ghana.
You tailed him?
No, I didn't. I got there before they did.
Seriously, you need a psychiatric evaluation.
Come on. Stop being melodramatic. What's life without a little spunk?
Spunk? It's like gambling.
Who is gambling?
Hey, Gracie, ask her.
Don't mind her.
Who is gambling?
Ignore her.
Sadia Kango. And who is gambling?
Don't mind Abiba. She's just being dramatic. I was just telling her about my new catch.
New catch?
Chief Idris Ogunshola.
What?
My oil tycoon.
Hey, Mama, see. What do you call now the biaba? Eh? You are not growing any younger.
Hey, please, hold it right there. What are you trying to say? Huh?
Mama, see. You see, I wish you would settle.
Say that again. And what good has it done the two of you settling, apart from the constant heartache and that fixation on that Osofo? Isn't it the serial brawler, or is it the molester and Madam Suicide?
Ouch, ouch. That was below the belt.
I can take it. I've learnt my lesson.
Really?
No, King. Let's not change the topic. I mean, tell Grace what you have done. I don't know.
Oh, please. What's the big deal? that I stalked some stinking rich Nigerian guy who bought me a $24,000 worth of diamond?
What?
That's me. That's me.
She.
Oh, Chief.
Accept this as a token of our meeting. You see, I'm a connoisseur of rare beauty. I would have loved to stay and enjoy more of your beauty. But I have a meeting.
That's not a problem. Work hard, play hard, right?
My very soul.
Anyway, let's do dinner tomorrow then.
Bam! You sure move fast.
Do I? Well, I did say power weakens me.
Power, I have that in abundance. I am made of timber. Oh,
Chief.
So where's the chain?
Very safe.
Tell me you are not going for that dinner.
And why not?
He's too fast.
Fast? Did you hear the story? It's she who's doing the chasing.
No, it's too easy.
Look, I will leave you two grumblers alone, okay? I have a dinner date to prepare for. At least you two have some gossip to keep you busy. May I?
Wait. Mama, she. Be careful, oh. The person you just described is a very serious player. He might even be dangerous.
And who am I? A child wet behind the ears? Huh? Please, I'll give you two the lowdown when I get back, okay? At least you can keep yourselves busy with some gossip for the next few weeks. Adieu!
I worry for her. Behind all this bravado, she seems very nice and warm.
But unfortunately, she only shows a hard side.
Yes, since you are dear and Pani Bayano. Anamalam.
I can't have enough of your beauty. So sure.
Oh, you can have as much as you want, Chief.
Ooh, jiggy. You make my blood boil.
You haven't seen anything yet. First food, then drinks. For dessert, I'll offer you a live animal.
Oh, jiggy. See, you make my blood boil. Please have a seat. I'm going to come you. See. You make my blood boil every time.
Or is it engineer?
It is both. Engineer, Chief Idris Ogushola, with pleasure. That is my name.
Yes, to you, Chief.
To us.
I love some good red wine.
Morgana. Ghana restaurant. Dollars, I need to change.
Oh, come on, Chief. Please, this one is on me. You've given enough. Okay, let me take this. It's a num, nay num.
This girl. Wait. This is $2,000 for your generosity.
Oh, come on, Chief.
Come on.
Take it.
Come on.
I take care of my women.
Naughty, naughty.
Take it. You say this is enough. You have not seen anything yet. Wait till tomorrow morning. I have a big surprise for you.
Naughty, naughty. I just can't wait. Oh, Chief. I'm loving this place. It's really nice. No wonder I had to pass by the house and change. I packed enough for a long, long night. Oh, Jiggy, Ouchie. Gee.
Come on, let's go.
Okay. You're naughty. Oh!
Room service. Room service.
Yes, come in.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please, your breakfast.
You can put it here. That's fine.
Anything else? That's fine.
This is how life should be. Just enjoying every minute. to call him now. My phone be? Where are the diamonds? My earrings. No, this can't be. Chief. Can't be happening. This can't be happening. No, not me. This is not possible. But so where is he? Where's? I need to call someone. This is not possible. This is great. This is not possible.
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go. Kolo.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you ready to see?
Make her enter, make her go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through away. So make her bust a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, on fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know say Senadi never expire.